You have a website, but you do not know how to attract new customers? There are many proposals for market promotion of your website, but whom to choose and where to start? At this moment, thousands of potential customers are looking for your products online and choosing your competitors. How to believe that a valued customer chooses you? We can help you. We will build the right promotion strategy based on the analysis of competitors. Pick selling keywords. Tailor your website. Promote it in search engines and increase conversions at your website. Rely on professionals who learn new modern promotion algorithms aimed at the result every day. All their attention will be focused on the growth of sales of your products or services. You will have more customers, more orders, and more profit from small businesses to large companies in any industry. We know how to promote a website and achieve results in the shortest possible time, minimize the cost of advertising, and attract the customer who wants to buy your products. Everyone can decide which way to go, but with us, you'll achieve success much faster. And the most important thing is that you'll get a long-awaited result.